Hi all. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to make the perfect protein fruit smoothie. If you are like me and love to work out, this is a great option for you to eat healthy and have a delicious smoothie at the same time. This strawberry banana protein smoothie is the perfect pre or post workout smoothie because it is loaded with protein, which will keep you full all morning, and the carbs will help your body recover from a hard workout. To start, you'll need one banana, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, which is about 6 to 7 medium-sized berries, 1/4 cup of almond milk or skim milk, and 1 scoop of protein powder of your choice. I usually just go use plain vanilla protein powder, but I know a lot of people who like to add some flavor by using cookies and cream. So now that we have our ingredients down packed, let's get started. First, you will blend the banana and milk together first. When the banana is almost completely pureed, add in the protein powder. Once the protein powder and banana are completely blended, stop blender and add in the frozen strawberries. Then, you will blend until there are no more chunks of strawberries and it is smooth. The thickness of your smoothie will depend on if you're using fresh or frozen fruit and the type of protein you're using. It will also depend on how thick you like your smoothie. Now I'm going to get into some of the nutritional facts of this smoothie. This smoothie contains 312 calories, 42 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat, 33 grams of protein, 259 milligrams of sodium, and 26 grams of sugar. Some people would say that the carbs and sugar content is too high, but it really isn't. The sugars are all natural from fruit and not artificial junk found in highly processed food. And the 33 grams of protein will help keep you full all morning, and the carbs will help your body recover from a workout. That is all, and have a good day.